If you do not have the opportunity to put the measuring unit strictly at the 9, 12, and 3 o'clock positions, you can use the smart angle method. The use of precision digital sensors allows you to get an accurate result in 3 measurements at arbitrary points. The minimum shaft rotation angle required for measurements is 40 degrees. However, for the most accurate alignment, it is recommended that the rotation angle is at least 90 degrees. Set the measuring units M and S to any position so that they have the same angle of rotation, and tap the icon Take Readings. For the following measurements, it is necessary to remove the sensors from the red zone. Then repeat the process in any 2 more positions. The alignment measurement procedure is the same for machines with or without spacer or cardan shafts. In this case, the screens during the measurement process will be common to all coupling types.